Hi friends, welcome to Prasara. So in this video I'm going to show you a very beautiful blouse and also a beautiful tips on how to design on brocade blouses. So usually when there is a brocade blouses or when the blouse is already having some designs on it, people will have a confusion whether the work whichever we do, will it show brighter or will it look good. So here is one example for that kind of customers who's having any confusion. So usually when there is any designs the fabric is having, like a small buttas or small designs or completely weaved designs like this, so what I would recommend is, usually whenever there is a design, try to highlight the design, like how we used to even in Kanchipuram saris. When we have to do for the sleeves, usually the sleeves will have the border, so we used to highlight the border according to the client's budget. So we used to highlight the border only, then the design will look good. So same as we do for the sleeves, when the complete blouse is having like gold weaving designs in it, so you have to highlight the motifs or the designs in it to make the design look better. So if you are trying to do some other design on top of this design, the gold weaving will also not look bright, and not, the design which you are doing will also not look good, so it will look clumsy. So whenever there is a design in the fabric, so try to highlight the designs itself, which will enhance the golden zari, the work, and your work will also be highlighted. So the fabric design will also be highlighted and your design will also be highlighted. So this is a great technique and idea when you have to design this kind of blouses. And whenever you try this kind of blouses, for the neck design, you have to try something thick. So don't try some designs which is wider or it is just spreaded out. So if you try that kind of designs, your blouse will not look good. So either try to highlight the design of whatever the weaving is available, or try to do a thick work like hiding the complete design whatever is available on the fabric. So completely try to hide the design and try a very thick design if you are trying to do some other design. So these are two tips which I can give you to design on this kind of fabrics. So this is one bridal blouse where the client wanted a very simple work, and however it wants to look grand. So main requirement was, she asked me to use lot of beads and chumkis. So according to her the requirement, I have highlighted only the butties whatever is available in the fabric, the design itself, and just around the neck with a different neck shape and neck pattern as the client's requirement, I have highlighted the neck pattern with a thick bead work. So you can see 3/4 of whatever I have done around the neck, there is no gap, the fabric itself is not shown. So complete bead work, the pearl work is done, so the design looks thicker around the neck. So this kind of small techniques inputs you can try when you're looking for this kind of blouses. So if you're looking to customize your blouses, you can contact us. See, you can, around the neck I have given a thin border which is highlighting the design as well. So if you're looking to customize your blouses, we are manufacturers, we have starting from just 550. If you wanted to check our designs, the catalog is available just on the screen, the number is displayed. You can send a hi message and you will get the catalog link, and you can check all the designs. You can choose any design from our catalog, or you can give us any reference picture and we will customize the same for you. If you're planning to learn this art, Ari Magam work, then you can contact the number on the screen. We have the complete course available from basic to advanced. We cover all the techniques along with the tracing techniques and the business training. For the summer, we have introduced a special summer course. It's just a 1 week course. It's a pre-recorded video section, and it's available in 3 languages: Tamil, English and Kannada. Whichever language you're comfortable with, you can enroll in that language. And 60 plus classes are recorded classes are available, where we cover all the basic stitches, and you have the bead work, chunky work, and the motifs, the neck design. So everything is covered along with the basic tracing technique. So how to take your measurements from the blouse, how to mark the measurements, then how to do basic tracing, professional tracing techniques are covered, how to trace the design, transfer the design to the fabric and do the embroidery work. And next we cover the complete business training on how to start this business without any investment from home, how to create your own catalog, and how to fix the prices, pricing strategies, business strategies. Everything is covered in this course. Within a week you can complete this course, start designing your own blouses and kurtis, and start a business from your home without any investment. And especially for college people, you can start designing your own kurtis and blouses, and you can earn your own pocket money. So how cool it is, right? So if you are planning to enroll for this course, the details are given in the description below. You can click on the link and directly purchase from our website, and all the tracing papers are also available in the blog. The blog link is given in the description below. If you already know this technique, and if you're just looking for the tracing paper, you can download and use it for your reference. So this is how we have started with the design. So whenever there is a border, always, whenever there's a design, always try to highlight the design, so your design will also look enhanced, and also the fabric's design will not look clumsy. And apart from that, you can always highlight the borders and the designs on the sleeves and for the neck. So try this, and thank you for watching.